I increasingly think that a spiritualist should not marry a religious person. I mean, there are religious people that are bordering on, that are high in consciousness, right? Yeah. I mean, I made a video as well where you should probably take it easy with a non-spiritual spouse. This video that I just told you. But the reason I say this is that spirituality is a way to access higher forms of consciousness, to trick yourself into manifesting, right? Into magic. Yeah. Like when you perform some sacrifices, you are so sure that you are aligned with intangible forces. And same with when you do Igofo in the morning, you wake up and you program your day, you say things the way the day is going to pan out. You say Bulu Numuzu Bel Numazo. You say, you know what I'm saying? You program things, you place your energy in a calm place. So it's like, it's a way to assess them 5D consciousness of synchronicities, you know what I'm saying? Like being at a very, very good plane. Spirituality is a way to assess consciousness. So imagine what the children that two high functioning spiritualists birth and train in this stuff. Imagine the amount of shit they will be able to create. Then you go and marry somebody again who is taking your fucking kids to fucking Ebukobi because of some shit, guy. Like that feels like a crime against human potential development and our responsibilities as employees of this universe, employees of what I know as Chuku, the universe, employees of the universe to improve the universe, not set it back with cultism and raising cultists. After cultism has set us back so much, every religion is cultism if you are just getting here. So yeah, just my musings this morning when you finally see this. So what do you think? Yeah, stream Holy Ezume's with a spiritual song. It helps you achieve consciousness. You can use it for meditation. You can use it to explore hypnosis and stuff. So stream it and kindly support it. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be big. So do the things that you know you want to do with a song before it gets big. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, be one of the first people, one of the first few tens of thousands of people to check it out. And also check out my other songs. I always criticize Eguya, right? But if I am making healing music, then Eguya is a healing song. It's healed. But once you heal, once you get past a consciousness, you should not go back there. So that's the thing. Eguya is useful to somebody. So if you know somebody that needs it, send it to them to heal. Cheers.